Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Noms of Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to be making jackfruit tacos, barbecue style. So let's get into the video. So the ingredients for this video are very simple and easy. All you're going to need is 2 cans of jackfruit. Make sure you get it in water or in brine. 1 onion, you can use any onion, a yellow onion, white onion, or a red onion. I'm using a yellow onion. Some barbecue sauce, some sea salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some apple cider vinegar, and some corn tortillas. So first I'm starting out by dicing half an onion, and then I'm going to saute it in a pan until it's nice and brown. And now I'm just cutting off the hard part of the jackfruit, shaped like a little triangle. And then I'm going to shred the tender part with the fork, the same way you would chicken. Now I'm adding the jackfruit to the pan with the sauteed onions, and I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now I'm adding some barbecue sauce and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I heated up a corn tortilla on both sides, and now I'm adding the jackfruit, and I'm adding some dairy-free cheese. I love the diet cheddar cheese. Okay, time for the taste test. It's really good. This would be really good on sliders, like little vegan pulled pork sandwiches. It's really good with cheese too. Definitely make these. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, a nice summer snack. Okay, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.